वो कल से यहाँ है। He has been here since yesterday. He has been here since yesterday. नेहा दोपहर से रो रही है। नेहा has been weeping since noon. नेहा has been weeping since noon. मैं तब से पढ़ रही हूँ। I have been studying since then. I have been studying since then. मम्मी 5 बजे से घर पर है। Mom is at home since 5 o'clock. Mom is at home since 5 o'clock. मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ रही हूँ। I have been studying for 2 hours. I have been studying for 2 hours. वो कई दिनों से कोशिश कर रहा है। He has been trying for many days. He has been trying for many days. मैंने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया। I did it for you. I did it for you. वो मेरे पास पैसे के लिए आया। He came to me for money. He came to me for money. मैंने 500 रुपये में मोबाइल दिया। I gave a mobile for ₹500. I gave a mobile for ₹500. उसने 5 रुपये में एक पेन खरीदा। He bought a pen for ₹5. He bought a pen for ₹5. राम 2 घंटे से घूम रहा है। राम has been walking for 2 hours. राम has been walking for 2 hours. मैं काफ़ी देर से खेल रहा हूँ। I have been playing for a long. I have been playing for a long. वो 10 मिनट से यहाँ थी। She has been here for 10 minutes. She has been here for 10 minutes. नेहा 2 दिन से कह रही है। नेहा has been saying for 2 days. नेहा has been saying for 2 days. मैं कई दिनों से पढ़ रहा हूँ। I have been studying for many days. I have been studying for many days. मम्मी कुछ देर से घर पर है। Mom is at home for while. Mom is at home for while. मैं पढ़ाई के लिए दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ। I am going to Delhi for study. I am going to Delhi for study. वो पैसों के लिए यहाँ आया। He came here for money. He came here for money. उस लड़के ने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया। That boy did it for you. That boy did it for you. उसे ये मत करने दो। Let him not do this. Let him not do this.